Sobrang importante ng trust sa isang relasyon. So, if walang magandang foundation ng trust sa relationship mo, then you might have a poor relationship or a toxic relationship. And ayaw naman natin mangyari yon. I'm Joms and I help men conquer the fear of rejection by mastering confidence. And here's why you need to build trust as a foundation for your relationship kahit nasa anong level pa kayo. Because when a relationship have no trust or meron kayong lack of trust, is magkakaroon kayo ng madalas na pag-aaway, frequent conflicts, misunderstandings. Number two is lack of openness. Kumbaga, hindi nyo na nafe-feel yung connection. You don't feel safe with each other. So, hindi na kayo magiging open sa isa't isa. Hindi na kayo magiging honest sa isa't isa. And also, mas mag-increase dito yung levels of insecurity mo. Just because, ba't kaya hindi niya na ako ganun kamahal? Ang mangyayari nyo may insecure ka na sa sarili mo. So, kapag nag-continue to, number one is you struggle to maintain healthy relationship. So, worst case scenario is magiging toxic na yung relationship nyo and mag-stay na lang kayo for the sake of companionship. Number two is your relationship become unfulfilling. Kumbaga hindi na proud, kumbaga hindi nyo na siya hinahanap, wala nang spark, kumbaga. And lastly, you'll miss opportunities for deep and meaningful connection in which it is very important in order for you to have a great relationship. So, I'm not just talking about romantic relationship, but this is also about having sa lahat ng tao, kung paano ka makipagrelasyon sa lahat ng tao, sa friends, business partners. Because understanding trust is essential for nurturing relationship. So, para siyang big foundation kung paano ka makabuild ng relationship. Kapag meron kang trust, is number one, you'll build stronger, more resilient relationship. Yung tipong true relationship siya. Hindi siya transactional relationship. Number two, you feel more secured and valued. Because dahil nga people trust you, then mas ma-feel mo na meron kang value. Meron kang something to be proud of. And lastly, you'll experience deeper emotional intimacy, lalo na sa mga romantic relationship mo. So, how you can build trust is being vulnerable, being honest, being open. Okay, when I say being vulnerable, being honest, and being open, ito yung being true to yourself. You never hide your true emotions or your true feelings. Kapag galit ka, you don't hide it. You tell it with, you can tell it with people na you don't hide on a mask na, oh, yun palagi lang akong nice, palagi lang akong mabait. Pero deep inside, you are suppressing your anger, you're suppressing your sadness. Meron palang problema na dapat ka sabihin pero hindi mo masabi. Ang mangyayari lang yan is may ipon at may ipon. So kapag naipon yan, kahit sobrang liit, iniipon mo ng ipon, lalaki at lalaki yan sa loob mo. So ang mangyayari niyan is mag-burst out ka. Mag-burst out ka sa bigla ka magiging relentless, bigla ka magiging aggressive kahit sobrang liit lang ng ginawa mo kasi pero yung sobrang liit na ginawa na yun is because yun yung last straw or yun yung sobrang puno na yung cup. So in that way is parang you always feel suppressed. So that's why kapag nag-release ka, kapag ni-release mo yung buong galit mo is sobrang akala mo hindi ikaw. So with that one, kapag mas nagiging open ka sa mga karelasyon mo is you're being honest on what you want, you're being honest on your desires, on what you really want, and hindi mo tinatago kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mo. Then this will build trust na alam nilang hindi mo sila ginagamit in order for you to gain something. So nagiging clear ka agad na, oy, ito yung gusto mo bang sumama? Mga ganun. So with that one, you can build trust and you'll never hide your true self. Nagiging authentic ka, plus you're not suppressing anything that you really desire. So yun lang.